Greetings, this is Prince. Welcome to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to be teaching you on how you can remove the unnecessary unwanted noise on your audio or on your video. So let's say you've recorded your video but you realize that there is a lot of outside noise, let's say from the AC, from the outside environment, from an open window, or someone who was making noise from afar that you don't want to appear on your video. So you don't really need to delete your video, but all you just need to do is to remove all unnecessary junk noise that you really don't want on your video or on your audio. So what you're going to do is simple. We are going to use free tools, so I'm not going to waste your time and show you some other ways that I've tried and I realized that you end up distorting your audio and stuff. So I'm just going to use free tools that you are going to use. You can download all these for free and you can use all these for free. So this is a free video editor from NCH. It's a free but it's only for home use, non-commercial. And as well, this is Audacity, which is a free audio editor. You can record your audio here and you can edit your audio here as well. So for this, guys, these are the two tools that we are going to be using. So I'm just going to this video editor, and as you can see here, guys, we already have two sections. This is the one for video and this is the one for audio, right? So if we can play this video, I can play for you to hear so that you can hear. Hi guys, this is... So as you can hear from the beginning there is a lot of noise from the outside environment. Hi guys, this is So if you come here at this section here, let me take you to that section so that I can show you. If you come to this section here, this is where you can hear there's someone who is talking on that audio. So we don't want to remove his voice. So if we don't remove his voice, it means we only have removed only the unwanted noise, but all the necessary audio remained on the video or on the clip. So like you can hear, I'm going to play again so that you can hear there's a lot of noise and there is his voice as well. You see, so we have a lot of noise there and his voice on that audio. So all you just need to do is, guys, you come to your... So I hope you know well how to use your video editor to separate the video from the audio. So on mine, all I just need to do is to come to this section here, and then I do unlink this audio, and then once I've unlinked the audio, I right click on my mouse, and then I go to save clip as here, and then once I save the clip as, you see, I now have it here. So I once saved it before, so now once I do have it there, all I just need to do is to go and find it on my files. So I'm going to open my files here and then go to music here. So this is the one that we just downloaded just now. So you can compare this one and this one is just the same. This is the one that we just downloaded just now. So all you just need to do now is go to Audacity, and once you are on Audacity, you go to files and then you import a file. So we want to import an audio file. So this is the one that we want to import here. So I will import this file, and then I come to this option, and then we open the file on Audacity. So let's play to hear if the same file. Hi guys, this is... So you see, this is the same file. So if you come here, you see, so we are hearing the same audio. So all you just need to do once you're on Audacity, if you're not well versed on Audacity, I'm going to show you one feature which is cool on Audacity. So you just select the part that we have unwanted noise. So like you can say here, I was silent here at the beginning. Hi guys. So hi guys, this is Prince from Prigma, and today we do have hi guys, this unwanted is noise there. So I'm going to select this part here, and then once that is selected, you come to this option which is saying effect here, and once you're on effect, you scroll down. There's an option for noise reduction. So you press that option for noise reduction. So initially when you are starting to use this, it will be here, the default settings here will be on 12, and here it will be on 6, and here it will be 0, like so. So we want so this noise reduction, it's in decibels. So the higher you go, the higher you remove the unwanted noise. So I'm just going to put it back on 16. I normally used on 16. And sensitivity, if you increase your sensitivity, it will remove with the sound that you want on the audio, which it thinks maybe you really don't want. So we are going to put, like, we are not going to harden the sensitivity, we're going to leave it on 6, the default. And here on frequency smoothing, here I realize that if you are doing a voice recording, if the lower it goes, it will affect your audio when you are going to talk on your audio. So I prefer it to be on 6. So you can do your preferences, guys. You can play around with all these settings and make your changes. So now if you come to this option here and then you go to gate profile, we do not remove that because we did not press OK. It did not give us the option to press OK. So you go back again and then you go to noise reduction again, and then here now there's an option for OK. So now if you press OK, if you can by just the look of things here, there is no sound. So we're going to play from here. You can hear there is no background sound. No background sound. So all you just need to do now is to select the whole video and you apply the same setting. So all you just need to do is press Command A or Control A on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, it's Command A. If you're using a Windows, it's Control A. And then once you've selected everything, you go to the same option and then you go to Effects, and then you here there's an option which is written Repeat Noise Reduction. So if you just press that option, it's going to repeat for the entire video, like so. So if we play the video now, the audio,
hi guys, this,
you see, you can hear me only.
hi guys,
let's go to him when he was speaking here, so that we can hear if his voice is still there. You see, we now have a clarity on the audio, so everything is now clear. So what you just need to do now is you go back to your editor and then you can mute this option or you can delete. So I'm going to delete this for me so that I don't confuse things. And then once it is deleted, I come here and then I export this file. So I'm going to export it as an a wave here. So I'm just going to export it as a wave. So I'm just going to name it wave 1 here, and then I'm going to save it. So it's downloading on my downloads. Okay, and then here you just press OK. So it's already downloaded. So we are done on Audacity, and then we come to this section here. We are going to add an audio. So all you just need to do is go to this option, clips, if you're using the same editor like mine, and then I add a video. So I have something already there. I'm going to remove it so that I don't confuse myself. So I did remove that, and then I'm going to add a new clip. So it's on the downloads here. So I come to downloads, and then here I open this audio, and then I'm going to drag it down to where it's supposed to be. And then once it's there, I'm going to move it to match the video, and then I'm going to play.
Hi guys, this is Prince
Voila.
from Prigma,
So you
and
see
today
now,
guys, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can delete your,
you see, so everything is normal. So now we can now begin to use our audio. So like we can play here.
Hi guys, this is Prince from Prigma, and today guys, I'm going to be teaching you.
We can go to him when he was speaking.
But the Facebook.
You see, so now we now have a clear video. This is all, guys, you just need to do. You just need to play around a little bit with your video, with your audio, and you can come back and match it to your video. And once this done, guys, you are free to use your video with clarity. Thank you guys for watching again. This is Prince. Now you know. Cheers, guys.